Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable games from automatically accessing your friends list in Google Play Games. Protecting your privacy is important, and this quick tutorial will help you control what information games can access. Let's get started. Open the Google Play Games app on your device. Tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Games You Play can automatically access your friends list. Tap on this option and choose No to prevent games from accessing your friends list automatically. By following these simple steps, you can keep your friends list private while enjoying your favorite games. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you protect your privacy and get the most out of your apps.